Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair. By default, Programs is a program that Windows uses pretty much automatically when you open a particular file type. So, an example, I'll open up this PDF file, and right now it's probably prompting like this. I'm actually going to ignore this and pretend like it was set. By default, that was automatically Edge. That's usually what it's being set. So let's say if we have a PDF file, by default it opens up on Edge, and you don't want to use that because you technically installed Adobe Reader. You see we have Adobe Reader installed here, or you have Adobe Acrobat Reader that you need to edit PDF files, while versus you can't do that on the regular Edge. Well, there's ways that can be done to change this file type of what it's going to run. So, an example, also, if you have like a doc file, you understand that will work on a Word document for Microsoft Office. If you have a text file, like a TXT file, it will open up the regular text document like this, like text, Notepad pretty much, and you can open up that Notepad, or you can download the program called Notepad++. It's pretty much the same concept. So we're going to be showing you how you can change your associate file type with a specific app in Windows 10. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you do is pretty much go to Start, and you're going to go to Settings. Once you get to there, you're going to choose Apps, then select Default Apps, and this is actually the default stuff you can choose like on browsers, video players, photos, stuff like that. But we're actually going by the Associates file type. So where it says Choose Default Apps by File Type, go ahead and select it. And it might take a little bit of time for it to load. And it would be easier if they had you could just type it in and get to that top file type, but it seems Windows 10's a little outdated on that. So here on the right side you have the little bar where you can scroll down. We're going to look for the file that says .pdf. And again, it all depends what type of file you're going to be looking for. So here is the PDF file, and it is currently assigned to open up Edge right there. So what you do is going to select it, and we have the options here from what it is as Adobe Acrobat Reader. So we're going to go ahead and select it. So now if we open up this file and we select the PDF, it is now opening up underneath Adobe Acrobat Reader, and that's pretty much how simple it is for it. Now there's also another step options from going to there, and if you already have a PDF file there or whatever type file that you're going to be using, you also can select the file and select properties of it. From there, you can change the open with option right here, and you can change that to the example I want this to open up with example Chrome instead. I'm going to press OK and press apply and OK. So now I'm going to open up that text file, and here it is able to read it through pretty much Chrome. And again, if you want to change it to a different one, we're going to go to properties again on that file, change it, and we're going to change it with Adobe Acrobat Reader and press OK. Press apply, OK. And we can select it, and here we are again. And that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair. If you want to help us out, that will be great by purchasing one of our t-shirts. Also, if you want to do applauding, pretty much we have a new applaud feature that came here on YouTube that's pretty much on a testing center right now that might go out eventually for you all. If you do see it on there, that'll be great. If you want to help us out, that's pretty much putting $2 for donations for us for applaud. And if you want to go even more through that, you can join our pretty much our Helton's Computer Repair membership here, where you can pretty much join us for pretty much monthly tutorials on troubleshootings and any problems that you have, and it'll be exclusively for those members that are going live. But again, thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.